In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install ChatGPT on your PC and create a desktop shortcut for quick access. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to open ChatGPT just like any regular app, straight from your desktop with a single click. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser on your computer. This could be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you're comfortable using. In the address bar at the top, type in the official ChatGPT website address, or simply search for ChatGPT and click the official link. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the familiar ChatGPT interface where you normally use the tool online. Once you're on the site, sign into your account if you're not already logged in. This step isn't strictly required just to create the shortcut, but it's helpful to confirm that everything loads correctly before we turn it into an app-like experience on your desktop. Now we're going to install ChatGPT as a kind of standalone app using your browser's built-in features. If you're using Chrome or a Chromium-based browser like Edge, look near the top right corner of the window for the 3 vertical dots or the browser menu icon. Click that, then look for an option called Save and Share, More Tools or Apps, depending on your browser. Inside that menu, you should see something like Create Shortcut, Install this site as an app, or Create Application. Go ahead and select that option. A small window will pop up, asking what you want to name this shortcut or app. You can leave it as ChatGPT, or rename it to anything that makes sense to you. If you see a checkbox that says Open as Window, make sure to tick that. This will allow ChatGPT to open in its own dedicated window, without the usual browser tabs and address bar, making it feel much more like a native application. After you confirm, your browser will automatically create the app and in most cases, add a shortcut to your desktop. If you don't immediately see it, minimize your windows and check your desktop carefully. You should see a new icon with the name you chose. From now on, to use ChatGPT, just double-click that desktop shortcut. It will open in its own window, ready for you to start chatting, without needing to manually open your browser and type in the website every time. That's all you need to download, install, and create a desktop shortcut for ChatGPT on your PC.